Okay, thank you everybody for joining. I'm going to share the link to this video afterwards so you guys can watch it. This insurance information is, in one hand, pretty straightforward and simple, but there are some confusing aspects. So I wanted to do it this way and explain to everybody what's what. Okay, so the part of the insurance that has to be through BH Express is auto liability, which covers other vehicles, people, property in the event of an accident, and cargo, which covers the freight that's in your vehicle. So that has to be through BH Express. That's how our customers require it. You don't have the option of getting that on your own. That part of the insurance is $88.24 per week plus a one-time $786.73 down payment. Just so there's no confusion, because some people are confused on the down payment. Every year when we get a new insurance policy, we have to pay a new down payment. That money goes towards lowering your weekly payments. So you guys are going to be paying $88.24 per week for insurance for auto liability and cargo. If you did not have the down payment of $786.73, that means your weekly payments would have been about $15 higher. Okay, so it's $786.73 down payment plus $88.24 per week for auto liability and cargo. On top of that, you have to have physical coverage on your van. If you want to get it through us, you can. If you want to get it on your own through Progressive, Allstate, State Farm, or whatever company, you can do that as well. Through us, it's 5.78% of the total value of your van. So that part is a little confusing. What you do is take 5.78% times the value. So let's say your vehicle is brand new, $50,000. That means that your annual payments for your van would be $2,890. That covers the physical damage on your van in the event of an accident. So if you hit a deer, if you're driving and you slide off the road into a ditch and there's damages on your vehicle, the physical insurance is what covers those damages. Again, through us, it's 5.87% of the value of your vehicle. So everybody's insurance for the physical damage is going to be different depending on the value. In the example of a van that's $50,000, it's $2,890 per year divided by 52 weeks would be $55.57 per week. That's for a $50,000 vehicle. A $25,000 van would be roughly half of that. So a $25,000 van would be roughly $27, $28 per week for physical insurance. There is a $2,500 deductible in the event of a physical claim, okay? So if there's $20,000 worth of damages on your van, the insurance company will pay $17,500 because of the $2,500 deductible. In the past, the deductible was $1,000. Make sure you guys understand of the change. Make sure you understand that there is a change, and make sure you're aware of that. I don't want anybody in the event of an accident to be surprised at the high deductible amount. So that means essentially if you get into an accident and the repairs are going to cost you $2,500 to fix, that would not be something you would turn over to the insurance, because that's how much the deductible is anyways. Most likely, you're going to be able to find cheaper physical coverage on your own unless you have a bad, driving record. So I would encourage everybody to contact their local Progressive, State Farm, Allstate, or whatever agent and get a quote. If you do so, make sure you're only getting a quote on the physical. They call it comprehensive and collision. Make sure that the quote does not include auto liability, or make sure it does not include cargo insurance. So only comprehensive and collision or physical coverage on your actual van. Lastly, the occupational accident insurance covers you if you get injured. So if there's a work-related injury, if you get into an accident, you break your leg, God forbid, or if you're loading or unloading freight and you get injured, the occupational accident insurance will cover you. They will also pay disability until you're able to continue working for some limited time. I can provide you with a document that'll have all the information broken down. That costs $18.47 per week. That is another insurance you don't have to get through us, but if you want to, you can. I don't think you're going to be able to find occupational accident cheaper elsewhere. So with that, you might as well do it through us. But if you have a way of getting that on your own, or if you want to have it on your own, you are more than welcome to. So to give a couple of examples, one again is going to be, let's say, $25,000 value. Person getting physical insurance through us. Hold on, 25,000 times 5.78%. So it's 1,445 annually. Divide that by 52 weeks is $27.79 per week for physical, plus $18.47 for occupational accident, plus $88.24 for auto liability and cargo. So a person with $25,000 van to have the whole entire insurance with us would be $134.50 per week, plus the one-time $786.73 down payment. I think that sums it up. The new insurance policy begins November 10th. That's when our current expires and the new one begins. Some of you have already paid a $500 down payment on your last check, meaning last Friday's check. If that is the case, then we will deduct the rest of that, meaning $286.73 from this check. If you have not paid anything last week for insurance down payment, then we would deduct the entire down payment of $786.73. That is the amount that'll cover what we have to pay to the insurance. So that is not money excuse me, my phone is ringing. That is not money that we're just taking. That money will be used to pay the insurance company for the down payment for the new policy. If anybody has questions, please text me directly on my cell phone, which is 314-717-6368. That's going to be the absolute best way to get your questions answered. If you text our general texting number, one of the dispatchers is going to be answering you, and they will not have the information you need. So please, again, if you have questions, text me. Please don't call. Text me, and then I'll arrange a time to give you a call because there's going to be a lot of people contacting me at once. Again, my cell phone is 314-717-6368. Thank you all very much, and I appreciate everybody's patience through some of these changes that we've been going through.